Hi guys, it's me Kelia. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch today's video. So guys, it's my first Clean With Me video, so I hope you stick around. As you see behind me, a mess, a complete mess. And it's very late. You can probably tell my eyes are a little red and whatnot, but it's late and I have to get this done because I don't want to wake up to this mess. So as I said, guys, I'm bringing more content, different content, and I'm excited about it. So please let me know what you think down below in the comments. Like I said, guys, it's late. I'm a little tired, but I said I'm gonna go ahead and record. So forgive me if I'm stumbling over words, but I am excited to bring this content to you. So let me know what you think below, and if you want to see more Clean With Me videos, I'd be more than happy to bring those to you. I do plenty of it. Day in and day out, so it's always something to clean. So yeah, so I finished dinner a couple hours ago. Kids are in the bed, husband is in the bed, and it's just me. Usually I'm the last one getting to bed, and it's kind of sad to say I don't get into bed till somewhere around past 1 o'clock in the morning. That's usual for me, and I know I need to get better. It makes no sense at all. So yeah, it's really late right now. So I'm not going to take a long time. I'm going to get this kitchen clean. So I thought I'd go ahead and bring you guys along. So if you are interested in cleaning up this kitchen with me, guys, come on, let's go ahead and get this done. about an hour later. Kitchen's clean. I do need to mop the floors, but I'm not doing that right now. You probably can't see, but it's 12:30. 12:30 a.m. And I'm tired. And so kitchen's clean, and like I said, I'll probably mop tomorrow morning and get the floors clean. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this quick clean with me video, because I didn't want the video to be too long. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm ready to get in the bed, take a shower, get in the bed, and do some more cleaning in the morning. Because guys, if you could see, I don't know if I'm ready to show you like my kids' room and stuff, because yeah, I am really a clean person. But my kids, when they play, they bring out every single toy in the whole wide world. They will be cleaning tomorrow, okay? Because it looks horrendous upstairs. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed this Clean With Me video. And like I said, I'm so glad to be back. So I'll be back with another video, hopefully, prayerfully, very soon. I really want to get my videos coming, and I have some great ideas for you guys, especially for fall. I still feel, for me, it's a little bit too early to start decorating. I'm not ready to bring out the fall decor just yet. But I do have some DIYs and stuff in mind that I could go ahead and put out for you guys. So, you know, you have time to kind of, you know, think of your own ideas. And if you want to do those DIYs for the season, you could. So yeah, I look forward to bringing those videos to you very soon. Guys, I'm going to bed. I love you. Thank you so much for all of your support, and I'll see you in the next video.